Hello, my lovely friend. Welcome back to a new vlog. If today is your first time here, I am so grateful to you for coming through. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you. I appreciate your constant support. Yesterday, I made some cornmeal, and after apportioning them into the freezer this morning, this is the leftover. So I decided to make banku with it, and I have already shared my gari recipe with you. The starch I extracted from the gari, that is what I am using today as my cassava dough. If you are new on this channel, this is not how I sound. I know I am sounding like a faulty radio today. Pardon me, I have a very sweet voice, but sorry, I'm on a low battery today, and I'm also making one peppered recipe. So that is giving me this sweet voice you are hearing today. I have in this 7.5 ml bottle watermelon juice. It's undiluted. Yes, I am trying my best to incorporate fruit and vegetables into my meals. So usually I eat once a day, and then I make sure I drink one bottle of either watermelon or pineapple juice. I have resolved to be eating other foods by force. It's not easy for me, but I'm forcing my body to accept rice. And so I have bought a new container for my rice, and I am pouring in my rice. But then I realized that some of the grains are brown. Probably water fell on it, either at the shop or home, because this rice has been here for more than 6 months. So I'm going to remove the brown particles, and look at all that I got from the rice. Again, I saw some weevils in the rice and also in the maize I bought in a previous vlog. So I have added some pepper, dried pepper into it, because I see videos flying over, and honestly speaking, so far so good. Welcome back from the nature break. So I have set the banku on fire, and I'm going to pair it with an okra soup. This okra soup, I had forgotten entirely about it. Guys, educate me. How do you keep inventory of your freezer? Educate me. I want to do that. I want to apply a FIFO-LIFO. Yeah, the FIFO-LIFO principle in cost accounting. I want to apply it in this house so that I don't leave food staying in the freezer for long. Please do not be tempted to say that I don't keep track because I eat more fufu. I think my problem is I am addicted to cooking, because it happens even with soups. Sometimes I will decide that for a week or two I'm not going to cook. So every bowl I will pick, I will realize that this soup I ate today is different from the one I ate yesterday, and it's different from the other one. So I think the problem is with my addiction to cooking. How do I deal with it? Before you advise me in the comment section, you are invited. Let's have a feast together. So before, nature was here, so anytime we cook, in 2-3 days everything is gone. So let's assume I made groundnut soup today. Tomorrow I will feel like, oh, I want to have another soup. I will go for fish live soup. The next day I will crave for dried fish instead of fresh fish. Then the next day I said, oh, the other soup I used a fried fish, so let me go the very fresh fisherman soup. So that is it. And I keep cooking, and I've gotten to the point I also do give out a lot. Whenever I cook, I love to share, so I do give out. But I've gotten to the point where even if the food I have made is small and I don't share, I feel like I am mean. Yes, I am at that point when I so much feel bad for not giving people when I cook, and I want to work on that. Your sister says she wants to do a facial treatment with a clay mask because I've been seeing the video on TikTok. I'll come to that. Okay, I'll come to that. I want to be lean in every sphere of my life, so I decided to go and clean my shoe rack and rearrange. And guys, I gave out some, I threw away some, but for some I have not been, like this one for instance, I've not worn it for years, but I said I will not give it out to, I decided to give it to nature. So I'm asking you, is it normal? Is it normal the way I'm feeling about everything? Is it normal? Please, I need your advice. That is why I am doing a voiceover on this vlog. And then also with the clay mask, I don't think I am going to do it again because one, I think it overstayed on my face, and then two, I was not comfortable with it on my face. You know, that is that about it. Yeah, that is that about it. If I continue with it, I will let you know and give you a review. So that if you do the barest minimum when it comes to skincare like myself, you can give it a try. Let me make a confession here. I so much misses nature. If she had been here, I wouldn't be fetching water, and this thing is having a toll on my health. Have you heard this saying in my language before? That human is sweet, but we don't eat the flesh. We do say nipa yede nenso yemini nam. My dear, until I come your way with another video, whenever you say a prayer, I pray that you don't forget to say one for me.